Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by identifying your device: iPhone, Android phone, or Windows PC. This determines where sounds live. Once done, open Settings and use the search bar to jump to keyboard or sound options. It's faster and avoids menus. Make sure you're unlocked and, if required, have the passcode or admin rights. This first step matters because different platforms hide click sounds in different places. Following these exact actions speeds you to the switch you need. You now go into the keyboard sound controls and flip the toggle off. On iOS, turn off keyboard clicks in Sounds and Haptics. On Android, open on-screen keyboard, pick Gboard or System Keyboard, then disable key press sound. For Windows, check Control Panel or the specific keyboard app's preferences and switch off sound effects. If an app like Slack or Messaging has its own key sound, disable it there too. This removes the click at the source and prevents app override. To finish, you must verify the change by typing in a simple text field. If it's silent, you're done. If clicks persist, reboot the device, restarts clear stuck settings, and then update the keyboard app or system software because bugs sometimes re-enable sounds. If noises continue, inspect third-party keyboard apps and accessibility options like sound feedback. Make sure they're also turned off. One quick troubleshooting tip: clear keyboard cache or reinstall the keyboard app when set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.